Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to continue our journey with common irregular verbs in English, part 2. Before we start, quick heads up. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, you're missing a treasure trove of super useful verbs and phrases. It's packed with verbs that will make speaking and understanding English so much easier. So go check it out after this video. You'll thank me later. Are you ready? Let's go! Group 3. Verbs that have in at the end of their past participle form. Subgroup 1. The past participle of these verbs looks the same as their base form, but with an extra n at the end. Write, wrote, written. I wrote a letter yesterday. She has written 3 books. Ride, rode, written. He rode his bike to school. I have never ridden a horse. Drive, drove, driven. She drove to work yesterday. He has driven across the country. Fall, fell, fallen. He fell off the chair. The leaves have fallen from the trees. Eat, ate, eaten. I ate pizza for lunch. She has eaten too much chocolate. A collocation, eat out, means to have a meal in a restaurant instead of at home. We usually eat out on Fridays. Give, gave, given. She gave me a book. He has given a lot of advice. A phrase, give someone a hand, means to help someone. Can you give me a hand with this bag? See, saw, seen. I saw a movie last night. Have you seen my keys? Take, took, taken. She took the bus to school. He has taken my phone by mistake. An idiom, take it easy, means to relax and not worry. For example, don't worry, take it easy. Know, knew, known. I knew the answer yesterday. I have known her since childhood. Another interesting phrase, know by heart, means to remember something perfectly. I know this poem by heart. Subgroup 2. The past participle of these verbs is like the simple past, but we add an n or sometimes en at the end. Choose, chose, chosen. I chose the blue dress. She has chosen a different career. Speak, spoke, spoken. He spoke to the teacher yesterday. They have spoken about the problem. Wake, woke, woken. I woke up late yesterday. She has woken up early today. Wear, wore, worn. He wore a black shirt. I have never worn high heels. Steal, stole, stolen. Someone stole my bike. The police have caught the man who has stolen the car. Forget, forgot, forgotten. I forgot my homework. She has forgotten his name. A phrase, forget about it, used to tell someone not to worry or apologize. For example, sorry, forget about it, it's okay. Get, got, gotten. In American English, the third form of this verb is gotten, but in British English, it's got. Always remember this. I got a new phone yesterday. She has gotten much better at English. Break, broke, broken. He broke the glass. She has broken her leg. Another idiom, break the ice. This means to make people feel more comfortable in a social situation. The joke broke the ice at the party. Group 4. Verbs where the vowel I changes to U. Stick, stuck, stuck. The paper stuck to my hand. He has stuck the poster on the wall. A phrase, stick to the rules, means to follow the rules strictly. You should stick to the rules. Swing, swung, swung. The child swung on the swing. The door has swung open. Group 5. Verbs where the long E sound changes to the short A sound. Sleep, slept, slept. I slept for 8 hours last night. She has already slept. Keep, kept, kept. I kept my promise. She has kept all her old letters. A collocation, keep a secret. This means to not tell other people a secret. For example, can you keep a secret? Feel, felt, felt. I felt tired yesterday. She has felt very happy today. Meet, met, met. I met him at the park yesterday. They have met many times before. And that's all for part 2. We've covered a lot of super useful irregular verbs along with idioms, collocations, and phrases that native speakers actually use. Next week, we'll continue with part 3. More verbs that will make your English sound even more natural and fluent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. See you next Friday!